Hello students, let's start Unit 3, which is perception. What is perception? Perception is a higher mental process where the brain selects, organizes, and gives meaning to sensory information. It helps in understanding the world and guiding actions like crossing a road or recognizing objects. Stages of perception. Selection. Brain cannot attend to all stimuli. Attention determines what becomes attended stimulus. Example, duck, rabbit, and vase faces images, page 35, show different perceptions based on focus. What's organization? Arranging selected information into meaningful patterns. Happens automatically using Gestalt laws. 2. Interpretation. Meaning assigned using past experience, expectations, beliefs, needs, culture. Highly subjective. Approaches to perception. Page 35. PP. Bottom-up processing. Perception begins with the stimulus. Data-driven. No need for past experience. J. Gibson supported this view. Top-down processing. Perception shaped by expectations, memory, knowledge. Richard Gregory supported this. Sensation definition. Sensation is the initial detection of physical energy, light, sound, pressure, chemicals. It is the raw data that perception interprets. Process reception. Sensory receptors receive physical energy. Transduction. Energy converted into neural signals. Transmission. Signals sent to the brain. Page 37 includes diagram of sensation steps. Attention in perception. Selective attention. Filters relevant information. Ignores irrelevant stimuli. Like a TV tuner, selecting one signal among many. Sustained attention. Ability to maintain focus for long. For example, radar operator. Gestalt principles of perceptual organization. Gestalt school says the whole is different from the sum of its parts. Lee, figure ground, page 39. Distinguish main object from background. Same image can switch figure and ground. Proximity. Items close together perceived as a group. Similarity. Similar shapes and colors grouped together. Continuity. Prefer smooth and continuous forms. Closure. Mind fills missing parts to create whole shapes. Common fate. Objects moving in the same direction are grouped. Pragnance, or good form. We perceive the simplest and most stable pattern. For example, Olympic rings. Perceptual constancies. Perceptual constancy allows stable perception despite changes in environment. Size constancy. A distant person does not appear small, though retinal image shrinks. Shape constancy. A door stays rectangular despite opening angles. Color or brightness constancy. Objects retain perceived color across lighting variations. Factors affecting perception. Motivation or need. Hunger and thirst influence what we notice. Stanford, 1936. Hungry people saw more food-related images. Expectation or perceptual set. Bruner and Minturn, 1955. 13 perceived as B, or 13 depending on context. Ratman experiment. Prior images influenced interpretation. Emotion. Feelings distort or enhance perception. Sports fans misjudge referees. Emotion improves perception when task is emotion relevant. Stimulus characteristics. Intense, bright, loud, unusual stimuli attract attention first. Experience. Past experiences guide perception. A flamingo-shaped pen, page 45, still perceived as pen. Culture. Culture shapes interpretation of signs and gestures. Hand gesture okay or perfect has different meanings in India, Italy, Japan. Summary of the unit. Perception is selecting, organizing, interpreting sensory data. Sensation to attention to perception. Gestalt laws explain how we organize stimuli. Constancies help maintain stable perception. Many psychological and cultural factors influence perception. This concludes Unit 3. All the best for your exam.